In today's video, we are going to talk about how auto-increment works in DBMS. Auto-increment, as the name suggests, is a function used when you want to automatically increase a number by a constant value whenever a new record or data is added to the database. Let's say we have a table named College, which has the student name and the student course. Now, let us say that we want to add the student ID, but we do not constantly want to be inputting the values. In a situation like this, we can now use the auto-increment. The function that we will use is called identity. Let us say, for example, that we want the student ID to start at 100, and every new student that is added to the database will have their student ID increased by 1. In order to write this, especially for large datasets, we can now write student ID, identity 100, 1. So let us break this down. The 100 represents the starting values for the student ID, and the 1 represents the constant value increment. If we wanted the student ID to increase by 2 each time a new student is added to the database, then we would change the 1 to 2. Now that our table is created, we just need to insert the values. When inserting the values, we will enter them according to how we created our columns. So in that case, it would be just our student name and student course. We do not enter the student ID when entering the data because we have already given the instruction when creating our table. Now if we show our table, we can see that the student ID shows up automatically and increments on its own without us doing anything.